Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making a Peppadew Calabrese pizza on the Karma 55. The first thing that we want to do is light up the pizza oven, so here's how we do that. Start by placing a couple of smaller sticks of wood in a Lincoln log pattern. Then we want to use a couple of fire starters and light them on fire. And when we have a good fire going, we can add bigger chunks of wood. Now when the pizza oven is heated up, it's time to start preparing the pizza. So here's how we do that. We want to start by grating some fresh mozzarella balls that we left in the freezer for about an hour. We also need to roughly dice some Peppadew peppers. We're gonna throw some flour on a cutting board, and then we wanna shape the pizza into a nice 12-inch thin crust pizza. Then we wanna spread some tomato sauce on the bottom, and then we're gonna add the freshly grated mozzarella on top. Next, we want to place some thinly sliced calabrese on the pizza, and then we also want to add the roughly chopped Peppadew peppers. Last but not least, we're also going to add some small dollops of bacon jam on the pizza. Then we want to place the pizza in the pizza oven. After about a minute, we want to rotate it. And when the pizza has a nice color and the crust is ready, we want to dome it and then remove it. And that is how I make my Peppadew Peppers Calabrese pizza on the Karma 55 wood-fired pizza oven. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. And that looks pretty good. Good crust. That is so good. This is a phenomenal pizza. The bacon jam just adds a sweetness that makes this perfect. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.